Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to do a hard reset or how to reset these headphones to factory settings. These are a pair of Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones, and I'm doing this video because I was trying to do a hard reset following the steps presented on the official web page, and it was not working. So basically I had to try different things to hard reset the headphones, and in the end I managed to do it. So in this video I'll show you how to do it properly. So before you start, you need to make sure that you have your headphones connected to your smartphone. They need to be connected via Bluetooth and they need to stay connected. So do not disconnect them, do not remove the headphones from the application, keep them connected. You know that they are connected because you see this LED here, it's white. So it should stay like this, full white, no blinking, and that means that they are connected. The next step, what you need to do is to press this button and keep it pressed, and in the same time to push this button to the Bluetooth sign. And you need to keep them like this, pressed and pushed for 30 seconds. You will see that the LED, it will start to blink white, and at some moment in time it will blink red. After the LED blinks red, it means that the headphones are reset. So let's do it now. Try to do the operations in the same time. Okay, so basically push and slide in the same time. And now, as you can see, the white LED is blinking. You should wait, keep them pushed. Keep them. Keep them. For 30 seconds. And now, as you can see, the LED was red, and now the headphones are going to reset themselves. Okay guys, this was it. It's very simple. So just to tell you one more time, you need to push these buttons in the same time for 30 seconds when the headphones are connected to Bluetooth. And now you will have to reconnect them again. Guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.